Hi, I'm Heidi Rader here in the Alaska Garden. I'm with UAF Cooperative Extension Service and Tanana Chiefs Conference, and I'll be talking all about growing vegetables, flowers, and berries in your garden and farm. So when you put up a trellis, you can use different things. I'm going to use a couple of T-posts here. These are a little more than 5 feet high. And then I've got a T-post pounder here. So I'm going to put that right in the middle of my bean and pea rows. And this is going to be noisy, so I'm going to put on some ear muffs here. You could trellis your peas or beans in a couple different ways. You could use twine and tie this onto the T-posts back and forth. One thing that's a little easier and probably stronger thing to use is this nylon netting. It's about 7-inch mesh, and this is plastic. And how I'm going to attach it to these T-posts is with some 9-gauge wire here, and I'm just going to weave that in to the top of this trellising and then attach it to the T-posts. And then I'm going to use zip ties to attach the rest of the mesh on down the line. So you want to use a U-bolt and tighten up your wire here at the top as much as possible. So I just looped that around, and you can always tighten it later if it loosens up over the season. And so I'm just going to tighten that up here. And then up and down the T-post, you want to use zip ties to secure that trellising the rest of the way. So you could even go higher with your T-posts. These are probably a little short for how big the peas and beans will grow. You could go 6 or 7 feet. And you want to get the trellis in the ground before the beans and peas get too high. So ideally about 6 inches high, you want to get it into the ground before that.